AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollar. Before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And below the video, you'll find some links so you can join the free Telegram channel and get some free signals every now and then. So just connect with the Telegram and then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. I want you to sign up with these brokers and trade separately using my signals. So if and when you will be trading using my signals in the future, make sure you don't mix it up. I need the data from you. How many trades did you win or lose, something like that. Okay, so separately trade my signals in a different account. I'll keep you posted on Telegram. Make sure you're connected. Subscribe, like, all free. Coming back to the charts, so you can use this AUD/USD analysis for NZD/USD as well, because I don't record separate videos for NZD/USD. Okay. So starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are up. So today is like Tuesday. Tuesday is gonna end now. So I'm recording the video when the Tuesday market will be closed in next 1.5 hours in USA. Okay, so in 2 days we had been going up. What do we have in Delhi? In Delhi we have made a new high. Okay, so we are making a new high in Delhi. So we don't have an entry here. Let's come back to 4 hour and let's see if we have any entry here. So in 4 hour, we have been going sideways. This was the rejection. Okay, we are going up. Okay, so if you entered here, so if I use my fib levels right here, so this was my not fib levels. Let me delete that. I will use the long position actually. This tool here. So I would enter here. So you're supposed to enter right here at this candle. And from here, you could do 1:2 ratio. Okay. So, you can take a stop loss and then it's, you have to wait for like, maybe 2-3 days, maybe the whole week. You have to wait for this trade to come in your favor or in your direction. Okay. I personally don't trade AUD/USD because of slow movement. I prefer Euro, GBP, and other USD can maybe. Okay. So AUD/USD is a slow mover for me. So as ZD/USD, personally, I'm not into this. But this is your entry because as you see here, you had a long wick with the rejection and then a blue candle. This was your entry, and bare minimum you will take down this profit, or maybe you will continue going up. Okay. So if you like what you see, subscribe and share the video and join Telegram and do this, what is called join the prop firm and do all of that. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.